Hi, I'm Noah Miller, and we're going to put a non-dairy twist on the classic French omelette. Here in this bowl I have 3 eggs that I've whipped up with a little bit of water, 1 teaspoon of cold water to make it fluffy. To that we add a little salt and pepper, and we add garlic and herbe de Provence. An herbe de Provence is a mixture of herbs, including rosemary and lavender. Now the trick here with making an omelette is to have your eggs beaten up. You have your non-stick pan and your fat, which is boiling hot. Now I'm using a non-dairy butter substitute, and in it goes. And now you pull the omelet back. It will congeal the moment it hits, and now we just keep pulling back. And don't worry, with a French omelette it can be a little runny in the middle, but you just want to keep pulling this back and forth until most of the egg has cooked and congealed. And we'll put one more, and there we go. And now off, and now we're not going to turn the heat off just yet. We're going to shake the pan. The omelet's going to come over. Now the heat comes off, and pull this right onto our plate. And there we have it, the French omelette. Magnifique. I'm Noah Miller. Thanks for watching.